Are you feeling tired, bloated, or just not yourself lately? Your liver could be the reason. It's a powerhouse organ responsible for over 500 functions in your body, including filtering toxins from your blood. But when your liver gets overloaded, it can't function at its best. In this video, we're revealing 10 powerful foods that can naturally detox your liver, boost your energy, and get your body back to feeling amazing. We're talking about real food here, not some fancy detox teas or supplements. Whether you want clearer skin, better digestion, or a stronger immune system, cleansing your liver is the key. Stick around to discover the simple foods you can start eating today for a healthier, happier liver. Let's kick things off with a real winner: garlic. It's not just for flavor. Garlic is a liver powerhouse. Packed with sulfur compounds, it activates liver enzymes to flush out toxins. Think of your liver like a car engine, and these enzymes are the mechanics. Garlic helps those mechanics work efficiently, clearing out gunk and grime. Plus, garlic contains selenium, an antioxidant that protects your liver. It shields your liver from damage caused by free radicals. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day can make a big difference. Add it to your stir-fries, soups, sauces. The possibilities are endless. Next up, we're going green. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are nutritional powerhouses for your liver. They're like a big green salad for your liver, helping to cleanse and rejuvenate it. Their high chlorophyll content binds to toxins and carries them out of your body. Chlorophyll acts like a natural detoxifier, purifying your blood. Leafy greens also boost bile production, aiding digestion and detoxification. So the more bile you produce, the better your liver can do its job. There are many delicious ways to incorporate them into your diet. Add them to smoothies, blend them into sauces, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a tasty side dish. Let's talk about beets, those vibrant root vegetables that add a pop of color to any plate. Beets are a health powerhouse, especially for your liver. They contain antioxidants called betalains, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can damage your liver over time. Betalains combat inflammation, protecting your liver. Beets also support your liver's detoxification processes. They contain fiber, which helps sweep away waste and toxins. Beets also contain betaine, supporting healthy liver function. Enjoy beets by roasting, juicing, or adding them to salads. And don't forget about the greens. Beet greens are packed with nutrients too. Chapter 4. Turmeric, the golden spice for liver health. Let's move on to turmeric, the golden spice that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. You know, it adds a warm, earthy flavor to curries and other dishes. But did you know it's also a potent anti-inflammatory? In fact, turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is responsible for most of its health benefits. Curcumin is like a superhero for your liver. It helps to protect your liver from damage caused by toxins, alcohol, and even certain medications. It does this by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, those pesky troublemakers that can harm your liver cells. But that's not all. Curcumin also helps to boost your liver's natural detoxification processes by increasing the production of bile, that digestive juice we talked about earlier that helps to break down fats and remove waste products from your body. To reap the liver-loving benefits of turmeric, try adding it to your diet regularly. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, stir it into soups and stews, or even enjoy it in a warm glass of golden milk before bed. Chapter 5. Avocados, the creamy treat your liver craves. Now, who doesn't love avocados? They're creamy, delicious, and incredibly good for you, especially when it comes to your liver. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients that support overall health, but they also contain a powerful antioxidant called glutathione. Glutathione is like a master detoxifier, helping to neutralize harmful toxins and protect your cells from damage. It's especially important for your liver, which is responsible for filtering toxins from your blood. But here's the thing, your body can't always produce enough glutathione on its own, especially as you age or if you're exposed to high levels of toxins. That's where avocados come in. They provide a good source of glutathione, giving your liver the support it needs to function optimally. So go ahead and enjoy that avocado toast, guacamole, or avocado smoothie. Your liver will thank you. Chapter 6. Grapefruit, the antioxidant powerhouse. Let's talk about grapefruit, that tangy citrus fruit that's bursting with flavor and nutrients. Grapefruit is a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect your cells from damage. But it also contains another potent antioxidant called glutathione, which we just talked about in the context of avocados. Remember how glutathione helps your liver detoxify harmful substances? Well, grapefruit gives your body a double dose of this powerful antioxidant, supporting your liver's natural detoxification processes and protecting it from damage. Now, I know some people are hesitant to eat grapefruit because of its interaction with certain medications. And it's true that grapefruit can interfere with the way your body metabolizes some medications. So if you're taking any medications, it's always best to talk to your doctor before adding grapefruit to your diet. But if you're good to go, enjoying a grapefruit for breakfast or adding a squeeze of grapefruit juice to your water can be a refreshing way to support your liver health. Chapter 7. Walnuts, the brain-boosting liver detoxifiers. Let's move on to walnuts, those crunchy, satisfying nuts that are not only good for your brain, but also incredibly beneficial for your liver. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, those healthy fats that are essential for heart health and brain function. But here's the thing. Omega-3 fatty acids also play a role in liver health. They help to reduce inflammation in the liver and may even help to prevent fatty liver disease. Plus, walnuts are a good source of glutathione, that master detoxifier we talked about earlier. Another reason walnuts are so good for your liver is their arginine content. Arginine is an amino acid that helps your liver detoxify ammonia, a waste product that can build up in your blood and cause problems. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of walnuts. Your liver and your brain will thank you. Chapter 8. Lemons and limes, the zesty detox duo. Let's talk about lemons and limes, those zesty citrus fruits that add a burst of flavor to your food and drinks. They're known for being a good source of vitamin C, but did you know they also support your liver's natural detoxification processes? Lemons and limes are rich in citric acid, which helps to stimulate your liver's production of bile. Remember, bile is that digestive juice that breaks down fats and helps to eliminate waste products from your body. Plus, the vitamin C in lemons and limes acts as an antioxidant, protecting your liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. And let's not forget about the hydration factor. Starting your day with a warm glass of lemon water can help to kickstart your liver's detoxification processes and set you up for a day of healthy digestion. Chapter 9. Cruciferous vegetables, the detox powerhouses. Now, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables, those nutritional powerhouses like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage. They might not be everyone's favorite, but they're packed with compounds that support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in sulfur-containing compounds, which help to activate enzymes in your liver that are involved in detoxification. These enzymes help to neutralize toxins and prepare them for elimination from your body. Plus, cruciferous vegetables are a good source of fiber, which helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevents constipation. This is important because when your bowels are moving regularly, toxins are less likely to be reabsorbed back into your bloodstream. So, try to include a variety of cruciferous vegetables in your diet throughout the week. You can roast them, steam them, sauté them, get creative and find ways to enjoy them that you like. Chapter 10. Green tea, the antioxidant elixir. Let's wrap things up with green tea, a beverage that's been enjoyed for its health benefits for centuries. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, including a group of compounds called catechins, which are particularly beneficial for your liver. Catechins help to protect your liver from damage caused by toxins, alcohol, and even certain medications. They do this by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, those pesky troublemakers that can harm your liver cells. Plus, green tea has been shown to improve liver enzyme levels, which is a good indicator of liver health. And some studies suggest that green tea may even help to prevent fatty liver disease. So, whether you enjoy it hot or cold, make green tea a regular part of your routine. It's a simple and delicious way to support your liver health and overall well-being. And there you have it. By incorporating these foods into your diet and making a few simple lifestyle changes, you can give your liver the love it deserves. Remember, a healthy liver means a healthy body. It's amazing how much better you'll feel when your liver is functioning optimally. You'll have more energy, clearer skin, better digestion, and a stronger immune system. So start incorporating these liver-loving foods into your diet today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips on how to live your healthiest life. See you in the next video.